Hello, my name is Jay and welcome back to my Tech Vault, and today we've got a very nice computer build. So if you're unfamiliar, I do actually have kind of like a small business building and I guess showcasing kind of computers. So if you're interested in that, I have a website that I'll put in the description, but if not, just enjoy this computer build. So this is a nice, really nice RGB Ryzen 3900X. I believe it's an RTX 2070 Super. I think it's just a 2070 or I'm not sure. Either one, perhaps. And then we've got ourselves pretty much a nice new case. I've been doing unboxings of these, and by the time this video gets out, it should pretty much have all of them on video, I guess. But we're going to be doing some benchmarking. That was a little loud, man. And we're going to be doing some benchmarking. My friend is sitting over here, who I built this for. He's going to be doing some benchmarking. That will be in the next couple videos. So if you're interested, subscribe to the channel so you can be aware and see all the benchmarks as they come out. But pretty much this video is going to consist of a nice, pretty cinematic time lapse of kind of the process of building it. The system is supposed to have 16 gigs of RAM. One of the sticks turned out to be bad, so that also got yeeted off to our May to have a wonderful experience getting a new stick, because that's your fun, not mine. And we got a nice Ryzen X570 motherboard also to put on there. So this whole thing is pretty much kitted out and ready to go for some gaming and streaming, which is supposed to be the point. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
I need to know if you'll give me a second chance. They don't come around often, but please, I can't stand it when you don't talk to me. When you don't talk to me, yeah. There's something inside, yeah, there's something inside that brings me back to you, yeah. No, I can't hide it. No, I can't hide it anymore. I don't know why, but I can't seem to get you off my mind. And I know it's true, and I'll say this to you: I want you back. There's something inside, yeah, there's something inside that brings me back to you, yeah. No, I can't hide it. No, I can't hide it anymore. Something inside, something inside. Oh, yeah. There's something inside, yeah, there's something inside that brings me back to you, yeah. No, I can't hide it. No, I can't hide it anymore.
Okay, so welcome back, and if you're unfamiliar, as I said, this is a nice 12-core, pretty much streaming PC that's got an RTX 2070, be doing some VR with it, some other things, and it looks like it will be a pretty solid PC. So if you're interested by chance in having your PC built, I pretty much charge a flat fee of $100 for the shipping and the building costs, and then whatever the cost of the parts itself is after that. And obviously a lot of pre-builts will of course charge way more, and also they really won't be too open about the price. So that's pretty much the background of this, and I also do live streams of the whole build process, which as you guys can find online. But that is pretty much the whole showcase of this build. I gotta say, this case looks very nice, and with an 850 watt power supply, he's got plenty of RAM to do SLI or any of those other options down the road if he chooses. But I definitely think that this is a great solid system that definitely has a lot of potential and longevity in the future, especially with the PCIe Gen 4. So thank you guys very much for watching. If you enjoyed today's lovely cinematic time-lapse of a PC build, make sure you guys consider giving this video a like, and also check out the channel for all those upcoming benchmarks and testing with this new processor that will be coming out over the next week. So if you're interested, as I said, consider subscribing to see those, and if you're not into that kind of stuff, hope to see you again soon. But as always, thank you guys very much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.
Should have panned over to me. It's recording.
It says, "Can you guys not touch my light?"
Lights out.
Cannot
Face reveal,
reveal my
guys.
identity. I will steal.
Yeah, I like to see you try.
Oh my god.
That's my intro for this video, by the way.
It's just me going.
Okay, let's take you home.
Okay.
Because I'm a little tired before I pass out.